welcome back to the journey, friends. So yeah, it is another winter wonderland around here, and yep, I keep saying that we're gonna be jumping back in to this cabin build project for mom and dad, and we are, because even though it looks like this today, by Monday of next week we're going to be back in to temperatures almost up in the 70s. So all this will be gone, and that's warm enough. It won't be getting, below freezing at night, so we can come in here and do concrete work. So yep, that is the plan. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more piers that I need to pour. So yep, we should be able to get most of that, and right now the biggest issue that we have with that is I only have one form. So I've only ever had enough material for one form, and obviously you can only pour one per day, right? So if that's 8 forms, that's 8 days, right? A little over a week to be able to get that done, or try to purchase the material to make another form that looks the same as those, right? Looks the same as that one for the square form. So obviously there's going to be 2 up in the very front that we're still, because I was trying to use a bucket as a form, and it didn't work out. I only got the 2 done, and then kind of changed up. Ooh, deer tracks. That's the good thing about winter is you always get a chance to see all the animal tracks. But anyway, they were going that way from that way. So I know they're long gone right about now, but anyway, with that being said, I might try to get just a little something to at least make one more form, to be able to pour 2 in a day, and to be able to cut that down to 4 days instead of 8 days. So I think that's going to be the goal, and then we're also going to be getting the concrete. So for that, we just get the bag concrete, because it's not worth, I mean, obviously if I had all forms, or even using like the tubes type stuff, I probably would have just brought a concrete truck in and just filled them all up together. But yeah, that stuff gets expensive. Right? Those forms are rather expensive for a one-time use, and it is what it is, right? We're trying to do this stuff on a budget, both us and mom and dad, right, with what they can do. So we definitely, I think, y'all, if you made it this far and you're not subscribed, we'd gladly ask that you give us that subscribe, share us out, help us grow. Hit that little thumbs up. I forgot his name, but it always says boop the like button. Yeah, all that good stuff, right? Just kind of helps out with that YouTube algorithm and such. And then if you'd like to delve in a little deeper and become a member, we have the join button down below. You can go ahead and click on that. Just see what we have to offer. And if you're interested, go ahead and do one. If not, then that's okay too. All we really ask is that you just watch the video, watch the ads. That doesn't cost you nothing, right? Except for a little bit of your time, that's all. Oh man, it is cold out here. So with the wind chill, we're actually in single digits today. I think last I checked, it was 15 degrees with the wind chill, making it feel like it's 6 degrees. So you're probably gonna see me switching my hand a few times, like now, because I don't got gloves. But I do have my nice thick navy jacket, so it keeps me nice and toasty, and not cold enough. Obviously, we had enough heat over the past couple weeks that it warmed up the water of the pond. So even though we're super cold right now, I don't think the pond's gonna freeze. I mean, there's a few sections that has like a little bit of ice, but it's not going to freeze over like what it did. And then, like I said, this is only here for a few days, and then we're back up into 50s, 60s, almost 70-degree weather. So I think this is going to be the last hoorah of winter, and we just really haven't been putting out the videos that we would like to, right? Obviously, we're still waiting on fiber. We've checked our account, and it does say pending, so they do know, right? It's listed in our account that the pending connection, because all the overhead stuff's done, right? It's already ran to the house. We're just waiting for them to connect it in the house, right? So we're almost there, where I can see the finish line. I just I don't see the beer afterwards, I guess, right? So that's actually one of the things I like doing in the Navy. Back in my day, right, was we would try to schedule. One of the first commands I was at, we tried scheduling the picnic, right, the command picnic, around the same time that we had to do our physical readiness test. So that's doing your push-ups, your sit-ups, your run, all that stuff, right? And then whenever you got done with the run, that was always the last event. You go straight to the picnic, and you get your hamburgers and all your fattiness foods, your beer, right, all that stuff. And it was actually a lot of fun. And then they stopped doing that. So I don't know. It's okay. So yeah. There's also one of the other projects too that we will, so this actually coming payday, we're going to be getting the rest of the stuff we needed for the coop build, to be able to get all the chicken wire stuff up on the coop build. So if you haven't checked that out, you know, definitely get over here to the corner, check it out. I'll link it up here. And then also probably at the end of the video, I don't know, we'll see. But we really would like to get this done, and then be able to, so this side obviously is going to have some type of cover, probably just a tarp for now, be able to keep. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see them, but the doors, whenever they get wet and then freezes, they stick, and then the chickens get stuck inside. So we have to come out and kind of help them out. Or they'll be frozen open and then they can't, they're obviously not safe inside whenever the doors are open at night. So we do want to get that one covered. And then the other one on the other side, it does not have, it's not going to be open to the run. That's going to be open to the birds that will be out free ranging, right? So this side will just be free range, not have access to the run. And there you go, showing you my thumb. Man, rookies, right? I know, Jesus. But anyway, we will get to all these projects, and we will definitely, once I get the fiber, we'll definitely be posting a little more often. So that's one of the things, you know, that I watched the video over at Come On Homesteading, David, and it actually, you know, it's one of those videos that just hits you on all your feels, especially whenever it kind of pertains to you a little bit. So, you know, just dealing with any type of childhood traumas or stuff, or just things that you remember, right? And things, obviously, for me, right, this YouTube stuff was always my passion project. So that's why you see me a lot more than anybody else here. Yes, Gladys does not mind being on camera. Mom and Dad does not mind being on camera. Even the kids ever so often don't mind being on camera. But it was never their passion project. And I think for me, and definitely go, you know, check that video out. I can even link that up here for you to go check out. And then after, or come back and finish this. And then, but yeah, some of those things kind of really rang true, even of how I feel. And even though I don't 100% disclose everything, well, I mean, he didn't disclose everything either, but, you know, still dealing with some childhood type stuff, and dealing with the divorce, which obviously he was best friends with his ex. I am not. Nowhere near. I think we were on the completely opposite spectrum for that. And I am now married to my best friend and would do anything. So, yeah. But that really rang true with a lot of things. And I would like to possibly talk about that in the future. I think it would really help me. And in a sense, maybe I might do that over on the side channel. So if you didn't know, we have a side, look, I'm starting to freeze up my mustache and my beard. If you didn't know that we had a side channel, that's also linked at the end of our video, and also links down in our description. Definitely go over there, check that out. I might do that because that's more of just like what I'm doing here, a vlog channel. And even though I have not posting over there as often as I'd like to either, just because, I mean, stuff like this, right? But I definitely want to be putting more effort into our YouTube. Me personally, I would like to be doing that, whether the family does or not. Like I said, this is my passion project. And plus, with this weather, Gladys does not do cold. She hates cold weather and is more of a desert dweller, I guess, per se. But no, I mean, she will come out if absolutely needed. She just prefers not to do that, right? So, yeah, a lot of the, once we get warming up, we'll be able to see a lot more of her and such. But, yeah, it is what it is. We're doing with what we got when we can do it, and all these things. Make plans change, just a whole bunch of stuff, right? And it just really rang true with that video. So, yeah, definitely get over there to our side channel. Go check that out, the Scuttlebutt with IFF. Greatly appreciate it. I might do something over there. And then that's it. That's all we got. So if you'd like to stick around a little bit further on our journey, we're doing our best, right? We're waiting for weather to warm up here in a couple days, and we're going to get hot and heavy, busy on some of these projects. So check out that video that I have right here. It's greatly appreciated. Like I said, if you want to stick around a little bit longer, you got the whole year's playlist on this side. It continues to grow as the year progresses. Icons at the top make it easy to subscribe both here and to the side channel I was talking about. Go check it out. And then last but not least, get out there, thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. We'll see you on the next one. Ooh, it's warm. Let's go get warm. Bye, y'all. Bye, y'all.